Hey everyone, imagine you're driving smoothly but suddenly your gear shifts become harsh, your transmission hesitates, or your car refuses to shift at all. You plug in your OBD-II scanner and guess what? Code P0939 pops up. This code relates to a hydraulic pressure sensor circuit low, meaning your transmission isn't getting the right pressure readings. In this video, I'll explain what this code means, where the sensor is located, and how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. What is DTC P0939? DTC P0939 stands for Hydraulic Pressure Sensor Circuit Low. This means the signal from the hydraulic pressure sensor is too low, causing erratic shifting, transmission overheating, or even limp mode activation. Common symptoms of P0939. If your car has this code, you might notice delayed or rough shifting, slipping transmission check engine light or transmission warning light, overheating transmission fluid, reduced engine power, limp mode. Sensor and component location, very important. To diagnose and fix P0939, you need to locate these key components. Hydraulic pressure sensor, found inside the transmission housing, near the valve body. Monitors hydraulic pressure and sends data to the Transmission Control Module, TCM. Transmission Control Module, TCM, usually located under the dashboard, inside the fuse box, or in the engine bay. Regulates the transmission hydraulic pressure based on sensor data. Wiring and connectors runs between the hydraulic pressure sensor, TCM, and power supply. Transfers electrical signals for accurate pressure readings. Tip: a low voltage signal usually indicates a damaged sensor, faulty wiring, or a failing TCM. What causes P0939? Here are the most common reasons for this code. 1. Faulty hydraulic pressure sensor, giving low or incorrect readings. 2. Wiring issues, corrosion or shorts, broken, loose, or damaged connectors. 3. Low transmission fluid pressure caused by a weak pump or leaks. 4. Contaminated or low transmission fluid, affecting sensor function. 5. Faulty transmission control module, TCM, sending incorrect commands. How to fix P0939? Follow these steps to diagnose and fix the issue. Step 1. Check the hydraulic pressure sensor. Use a multimeter to check voltage readings at the sensor. If it's below spec, replace the sensor. Step 2. Inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for damaged, corroded, or loose wires around the sensor and TCM. Step 3. Check transmission fluid. Ensure the fluid level is correct and replace it if it's dirty or low. Step 4. Inspect the transmission pump. If fluid pressure is low, the pump might be failing and need replacement. Step 5. Test the transmission control module, TCM. Scan for additional codes to see if the TCM is malfunctioning. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Reset the code with an OBD-II scanner and check if the issue is resolved. Final words. If you're dealing with harsh shifts, transmission overheating, or limp mode, don't ignore P0939. Check the hydraulic pressure sensor, wiring, and fluid pressure to keep your transmission running smoothly. For more troubleshooting and fixes, check out these videos. P0744. Torque converter, clutch circuit intermittent. P0745. Pressure control, solenoid malfunction. This is IG Garage, your go-to source for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.